everybody, Jamie at Job Protected. Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. Ursa Major, one of our long-standing lines, introduced some new products to their hair and body collection. And those would be a new deodorant. So now they have three. The newest one is this one here called Forest Fix. And then they now have a shampoo and a conditioner. So as with all their products, they're 100% natural, a lot of organic ingredients as well. That's what the Forest Fix deodorant looks like. So it's 100% naturally derived. Scent-wise, it's as the name might imply, it's kind of woodsy. So it's got a lot of woodsy notes in it, but it's also got some spicy and some citrus notes. So it's kind of a nice smell, but it doesn't work by just concealing underarm odor. It actually eliminates it, and it also helps to control moisture. It's a very smooth stick, so it goes on nice and easy, doesn't tug or pull, and doesn't stain either. So yeah. That's our product. Yeah, that's product number one. And then product number 2 and 3 are the shampoo and conditioner. They kind of speak themselves, totally natural, nourish the hair, smell really good too. They're both good for daily use. The conditioner rinses out really easily too. It's not like a thick, heavy conditioner that's kind of hard to get out of the hair. It rinses nice and light. The shampoo is actually slightly conditioning too, but you still can use a conditioner in conjunction with it. And then the conditioner can be used in the shower as a rinse or conditioner, or you can actually use it as a leave-in conditioner because it is that light. Scent-wise, they smell really good. The shampoo, what does it say? There's a lot of things in here, but lots of things. Same with the conditioner. They smell good. Read about them online. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice, good, natural shampoo, conditioner, or deodorant, check out Ursa Major on our website. And if you're in Vancouver, come and see them in the store. Thanks for listening.